Is Russia about to trigger a huge sell-off? There's breaking news and there's rumours happening around the space. And today we're going to cover all of the latest crypto news and of course the latest crypto figures. Now, if you are enjoying this daily content, be sure to hit the like button, drop me a comment, and please do subscribe. It does mean an awful lot to me. Without any further ado, let's get straight into the latest and greatest crypto news. Where better to start than with the very first article, and this is from Crypto Ticker, stating that Binance might exit Russia. And this is potentially huge news. Now, due to escalating sanctions from nations like the United States, Binance is contemplating its operational status in Russia. Now, this was mentioned in a report by Wall Street Journal on the 28th of August, and a representative from Binance expressed that every potential route concerning its Russian operations is being evaluated, even an outright departure. This could potentially be absolutely huge news. And why? Because over 14.6 million Russians hold crypto. That's right, over 10% of their total population. For the crypto space, losing one of the biggest players, one of the biggest exchanges in the space at the moment, that could be catastrophic, and this could see sell-offs that we've not seen before. That is honestly my personal opinion. Let's monitor this story very closely and keep up to date with all of the latest news around exactly what could come. The next story is from the SEC. Now, this is very interesting. Now, the US SEC have come out with its first enforcement action of an NFT. And it's caused some issues, and people are actually coming out and saying this is actually very problematic. And why is it problematic, you're probably asking? Now, according to the SEC, the NFTs called Founders Keys were sold as an investment into the business. The company allegedly raised around $30 million through its sales, and the SEC believes that NFTs were sold investment contracts and qualified as securities. The filing noted that the firm violated the Security Act of 1933 for selling NFTs without registration. This could set a very dangerous precedent, and that dangerous precedent could genuinely cripple the NFT market. This is not starting off to be a great news story at all, what we are seeing at the moment. Let's have a look at the next article. XRP has won another exchange listing, this time over on Linear Exchange. But what does that actually mean for XRP? It frankly means that you can buy it on more places, you can sell it on more places, so you should be happy because all of you guys are very passionate about mass adoption. But on a serious note, it's a really positive story. XRP is now in the hands of more people. Why not? Why not get excited about this article? The next and final story, before we get into the figures, is around BitBoy Crypto. Now, he has been fired from his own channel, that is right, sounds crazy, allegedly over substance abuse and financial concerns. Now, for me, I find this article, this whole story, disgraceful. It's absolutely disgusting, to be totally honest with you. This is an internal political issue that has overspilled into something just absolutely absurd. I think it's very sad. It's sad on many parts. I personally respect BitBoy Crypto a lot. He's done an awful lot for the space, and we need BitBoy Crypto. I made a video on this yesterday. It's even more sad the way that people have reacted to this across social media. You have turned toxic as hell against this man. If it wasn't for this man, we wouldn't have SBF held to account to the level of which he is right now. We wouldn't have as many crypto users in the space. We wouldn't have as many press and publications, frankly, looking at what this space is doing every single day. Guys, give your little head a wobble. Come on. I pray for the best outcome in this story and all the very best to Ben. Let's have a quick look at some of the figures around the space. There we go. It took a little second to load there. At the time we're making this video, Bitcoin is currently set at $25,956. That is pretty much break even. Ethereum is currently at $1,641. That is up 0.18%. BNB is at $217. That is also up 0.49%. And XRP is at 51 cents, down 0.19%. BGB token is at 43 cents, and that is up 0.6%, so congratulations to everybody in profits. A quick look at the memes. Shiba is up 1.17, Doge is up 0.29, Pepe We know you've had a disastrous week. You're currently down almost 6%, and Bonk is up plus 0.65%. Let's have a quick look at our ranges and how they are updated today. It's just taking a little second to load there because you know what? We're trying to bring you the latest numbers and figures here in the space. So let's have a look. As you can see, we are still sideways trading and we are not really seeing much price movement. We are seeing an increase here of some of the volatility within the charts, more to the sell pressure. So let's see if we do see this little bit of a downward pressure. The Russian news, is that going to instigate any sell-offs? Let us absolutely see. Reminder, the bottom of the range is $24,790 and the top of the range is $27,650. Quick look at Ethereum. Yet again, it's just a little bit slow today, the internet. There we go. The bottom of the range is $1,570 and the top of the range $1,730. I think again the next few hours are critical. We're waiting for some huge news. I sense a little bit of sell pressure. But talking about sell pressure, what is the fear and greed? It's at 35. So consensus hasn't changed at all since yesterday. But what about crypto bubbles? I would say that that is arguably very negative. Although XDC has got a huge bubble in the middle, I think the major big players are pretty red and negative. Whatever you're doing today, I hope you're staying informed of the latest crypto news and of course listening to as many opinions as you can within the space. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. If you did enjoy it, be sure to hit that like button, drop me a comment and please do subscribe. But most importantly, let's go.